Okay, here we are in Hampton Bays. Got here Monday night. It is now Friday afternoon. The case settled after we called the first witness, which is great, which means I'm going home because I can't wait to get back to New Hampshire tomorrow. So that'll be Saturday. I'll try to get some pics of or some video of the ferry ride. But anyway, here's the digs that were here, which were great. It was 3 bedrooms. I only needed 1. Guy has a couple of cottages. Behind that house is the water on the north shore of the South Fork of Long Island. And then he has a couple of cabins. He has this one, which is nice, and then he has another one in the back. And then he has this one, and he has that one, and where we stayed, number 3. So it was really nice. It was great. Jake got to go to the beach. I'm not going to take the pictures of the inside of the guy's place. So with that said, I'm going to pick up all those Remsenburg cobblestones in Holbrook and put them on the trailer, which is why I brought them back. And can't wait. Should be home tomorrow night about 8-ish. So we'll see what happens. And there's Jakey. Oh, hello. How are you? Are we going for the ride? I want to go home. Are you listening to me? Yes. All right. Until next time. Okay, this is for you, Robbie. I'm going to first have you think, where the hell am I right now? Well, maybe now you know. That's Pete. Say hello.
How are you, Rob? How you doing?
All right, I'm at Ronnie's. I'm going to go hopefully see him in a second. He's busy interviewing someone. So this one's for you, Robbie. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hello! Heard you got a bunch of kids. Be careful out there. I know it's not New York, but always be careful. Great to see you. Good luck. Miss you.
Okay, it is Saturday morning, April 28th, 2025, and I figured I'd get a picture of West Hampton Beach, the old town. We'll be going to Remsenburg after this. Wow, look how it's changed. I can't believe all the changes. We're going home today. We got a ferry at 1 o'clock. And it's about 20 to 8 in the morning. This is West Hampton Beach now. Wow. The Ponaquag Bridge is down. They're repairing it. Unbelievable. I wish they still had the movie. All the trees down. Alright, so we got the trailer on the back too. Still have to go back, get a couple things. And wow. 7-Eleven. And then they have a food market. In the West Hampton Beach Fire Department. And that's it. Off to Remsenburg. We'll take another little trip. Until then. Okay, here we are on South Country. I take this road every day for 25 years to get 7-Eleven coffee. They moved out. I think they're in Tennessee. Oh, they got a turkey walking around there. You see it? See, this thing doesn't have to zoom, but there it is. Alrighty. This looks pretty much the same. That's it. That's where we were. Look at that. Wow. Wow. The infamous Snapple House. Everything else looks the same. too. And there's Gil's old house. Alrighty. Alrighty. That's all she wrote for this place. Till next time. Alright, we're pulling into Bridgeport, Connecticut ferry. It actually went really quick. The guy behind me has a Jeep. And then another guy that is a former Army intel officer, and his son was on there too, so it was very cool. Jakey's been a very good boy. Oh, yes. Alright. Till next time. Well, it is April 27th, Sunday. We got back last night about 8 o'clock, and you're not going to believe this. Mr. Bear must have came back, and he dragged the garbage can, took the lid off. He does that. I don't know why they do that. There wasn't much in it like normal, mostly just like bottles and stuff. But I'll have to clean it up. And actually, looks like he didn't get in it unless he pulled it open. Oh well, the battery ran out. In any event, put it all back, cleaned it all up. But that was bad enough. Then, last night I went out for a smoke on the deck. And this is incredible. The gate was still locked. Wasn't broken. But look what the little whatever did. As you know, I had the 2 bird feeders. There's the one. There's the other one. And you can see how the cage is bent and some of the things are broken off. He, remember they used to go out. The little son of a gun grabbed this and bent it in so that he could take the bird feeder off, which he did. It was on the floor over here. And this is the one I noticed first. It totally bent it to get that bird feeder. Now you can see I have the little basket one, which last year he got too. They say to bring your bird feeders in. I forgot to do that. But these 2 are, 15 feet high. So you gotta give him credit, right? Came in and bent them from going out this way and bent them back so that he could take off the bird feeders. And of course they're empty, and I filled them before I left for the birds. Alright, emptied out the Jeep, got everything inside, took my suitcase in and everything, and this is what I got from Holbrook. That's Grandpa's bench. And these cobblestones, the pink ones, some are bigger and some are just the regular size. They're all from Remsenburg. And the darker ones, this one, that one, the middle one over there, are the front steps of Remsenburg before I put the porch on. So I'll use them up here, and it'll be great. It's cold here today. It's probably like 42, 43, and a bit windy. Maybe we'll get a shower. They say we may get flurries, quote unquote, but we'll have to see about that. And then tomorrow is supposed to be 72. But But I noticed that when I was down on Long Island, it was basically spring. All the leaves started blooming on the trees and everything. Not so here. Not so here. So it should be coming maybe in another week or 2 or 3, probably in May. It's about a month behind here. So I got a lot of cleanup to do. I did do those 3 chairs with the fire pit. I got 2 more. I'll have to put them together. And my mulberry tree, we'll see how that pans out. It was the first year over the winter. So, as you can see, the flag is a-blowing. And just a shorty. Until next time.